again. No traps. I can't see anybody.
Hey! Here, help us!
Hands in the air! Put your hands in the air!
People over here,
Hands
help
up,
us!
now!
Hey! There's people
Hands up,
over here,
now!
help us!
Put your hands in the air! Police, hands up!
Okay, I don't want any trouble.
Got him, cuffed and secure.
Get off me!
I know you've been through a lot, but I've got to do this. It's my job.
Talk to entry team. Roger that. Trailers
Got it.
incoming.
Zipped up and ready to
Proceed with
go.
caution.
What the fuck? Go after them, not me.
Hey, kid, come on. You get to wear handcuffs. That's pretty cool.
Talk to entry team. Roger, entry team. Great work. Keep going.
Got them all cuffed and secured.
You wanna loosen these cuffs a bit?
Suspect in custody, ready to move.
Hands
This
up
is
now!
Doc. Roger.
Hey,
Trailers
asshole,
inbound.
not me.
Civilian secured, ready for pickup.
Get your
is
hands off
Doc.
me.
Copy that.
Hands in the air!
Trailers
Hands up!
incoming.
Go left, go left. There is like a guy with a gun.
Contact is restrained.
Behind me in the door. There's a
Get off
guy
me.
at the left side.
Suspect secure, ready for pickup.
It's the police.
Talk to element.
Hands, get
Copy.
down and put your hands
Move
up.
on.
Not this one. I saw one other guy.
Contact is in custody.
Check these rooms.
Get off me.
Civilian secure, ready for pickup.
Talk to high ground. Roger, entry team. Great work. Keep going.
Gun down now.
Arms outstretched!
Get down and show me your hands.
Got them all cuffed and secured.
I just want to go home.
Done. Zipped up and ready
Sorry,
to go.
man. It's what I gotta do.
You wanna loosen these cuffs
Talk
a
to
bit?
Arms outstretched!
Roger that. Trailers en route.
Civilian down. It looks like they won't make it.
Talk
Go
to
slow.
entry team. Roger. Trailers inbound.
Heads up, looks like a trap.
There is a trap here. Yeah, trap in the door. Careful.
I've got my toolkit here.
Get down and put your
Hands
hands
up.
where I can see them.
Police, hands up! Done. Zipped up and ready to go.
Let go of me. Just let go.
I know you've been through a hell of an ordeal, but it's all over now. Everything's gonna be okay.
Talk to high ground. Roger that.
Hands up
Hands
now!
up now. Hands up now.
Got them all cuffed and secured.
Check the other bathroom.
My mom has a Mexican maid.
Civilian
might
is
know
secured,
her.
ready for pickup.
This is Talk. Copy, entry team. Notifying trailers.
now.
Is restrained.
I just want to go home.
Civilian is secured and ready for transport.
Police!
Hands off now!
Ground. Roger. Trailers inbound.
Zipped up and
Cover
ready to
me.
go.
Please, I just want to go home.
I know you've been through a lot, but I've got to do this. It's my
Great
job.
Talk to
We
high
need to
ground.
defuse all the
Great
traps.
work, entry team. Keep it up.
Oh my god.
Nice, GG.